Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorraine Marshall from makemoneyonline-niches.com. There will be a link to that website in the description box below this video. Now today I am going to bring in you a review of a product by the name of Launchrr, and this is brought to you by Dawud Islam and also Kneller Fernandes, who is a student of Dawud's. And this product is a digital product and training all about how, as an affiliate marketer or a new affiliate marketer, you can launch your own products and list them on Warrior Plus, ClickBank, or whichever platform may be the best for you. So what I want to do is take a look at the sales page, then have a look at the bonuses I have available if you decide that Launchrr is a product that's going to help you. And then we're going to have a look at the dashboard for the over-the-shoulder training that is in Launchrr. So let's go over to the sales page. Okay, so this is the sales page for Launchrr, and this is launching on Monday the 22nd of November at 9 AM EST. That is 2 PM in the UK time and 3 PM in Spanish time. Now, this is a training product that is brought to you by one of Dawud Islam's students, Kneller Fernandes, and it is basically all about the simple secrets to fast product creation. And Kneller is going to basically walk you through how you can, with affiliate marketing, start to create your own products to sell those through the different platforms that are available for affiliate marketers. So there is a video on the sales page, as you can see, so I encourage you to click through my bonus page links buttons and go to the sales page, have a look at this video and look at the explanation that Dawud is going to talk you through. This is about is how you can succeed online. So basically how you can make quality products in less than a day, launch twice a month and really cash in, and then other affiliates can do all the work for you. And the full over-the-shoulder video training, you don't need any technical skills. It's suitable for new people and experienced alike. Never worry about list building again, and then promote just like a super affiliate does. Then work today and earn in years to come. Once you've actually created a digital product, if it's something that can be repeated and it's not going to go out of date, then obviously it's a digital asset, and that digital asset can sell over and over again. Sometimes 2 or 3 years later, that digital asset can still be online and still make sales. So imagine if you could create 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a dozen digital products. You're going to have a dozen digital assets that you can then start to earn income from. Just, thought I'd drop that in. So basically this is the sales page. Now, this is Dawud Islam and Kneller Fernandes. Basically his letter to you, which is a simple view of, why you would want to start creating these products and why you would want an online type of business. Yeah, because every time you launch a new product, you would be adding hundreds and hundreds of new buyers to your list. Best of all, other people will be doing the selling. They create the product, other people get them to the sales. So that's the affiliates who would promote the product that you've created. So you're not alone. You don't have to launch a product and think, oh, how am I going to, get the sales? If you have affiliate partners who are launching and promoting your product as well to their own buyer lists, then that's a for more sales. So this is Kneller, who is going to deliver the training in the members dashboard. He has created this quick demonstration video, and that is available on my bonus page, folks. So basically click through the first link on my bonus page and watch this demo video so that you can understand what product creation is all about now. Here are some of the examples of the income that has been created by affiliate marketers who make their own products and release them in the space, which is Warrior Plus, the affiliate platform. So as you can see, the last 30 days, $41,045 has been made by selling various different products online, and you can see here how the earnings have stacked up. Here is another one of the dashboard and the last 30 days and how much they've made. In 7 days, $8,000. In the last 30 days, $22,000. And these are earnings that were banked in July of 2020. So this is another example. So basically, this is the sales page for Launchrr. Now, what I want to do is take you to my bonus page so that, if you want to check out the sales page, do that at your own time. And let's have a look now at my bonus page and the bonuses I have available if you decide to pick up Launchrr. We'll also have a look at the prices for the front end of the funnel and any of the upsells and one-time offers. So basically this is all about fast product creation and it's over-the-shoulder training, and basically this is the funnel for Launchrr. The front end of this particular product is $12.95. You've got a one-time upsell, which is the pro version, which is $47 with a downsell of $27. You've got your second offer, which is Executive Club, $37 with a downsell of $17. You've got your third upsell, which is reseller rights, whereby you can sell this product as your own, $37 with a downsell of $17. And then the fourth upsell is the Done For You weekly campaigns, $97, a downsell of $47. And then you've got your fifth upsell, which is Elite Academy, a beta tester. So you can join and become one of the beta testers and student of Dawud's. That is $997. And it's not a downsell. Basically, you can split the payments down and do this beta tester training at $497 times 3 payments. So all the description is on my bonus page. If you want to check out the details of that, I would encourage you to click through my link, the first link in the description box below this video, and take a look yourself and have a look at the demo video, which I won't play. It's just over 5 minutes long, and Dawud is going to introduce you to what is inside of the members dashboard. I have got access, so I will be going there after we've taken a look at the bonuses that I have available if you decide to pick up this product. The first one I have is access to SEO Studio, which is going to give you more information about search engine optimization. My second bonus is how to make an app in less than 25 minutes. And this is another training that you will get access to if you decide to pick up Launchrr through my link. Now the third bonus is another training which is Atomic, Done For You, and basically this particular product is all about landing pages, and it includes lots of templates that you can get access to in order to edit and use for yourself in various different niches or whatever niche that you are in. So that's Atomic, Done For You. And my fourth bonus is to unlock the high ticket mastery. So if you are looking to promote high ticket affiliate offers from ClickBank, Warrior Plus or wherever, then this particular training will walk you through what you need to do in order to unlock high ticket sales in your affiliate business. So that's my 4th bonus. Now, you still will receive all of the vendor bonuses if you decide to pick up Launchrr through my link. So any of these buttons here will secure your copy and all of your bonuses. Now all you need to do is, because this is Warrior Plus, you would get a receipt, and all you would need to do is access your affiliate bonuses through the blue button on your Warrior Plus receipt. So let's have a look at the actual dashboard for this particular product, and we can go over there now and take a look at the dashboard members area for Launchrr. Now the first thing that we have here is the welcome video from Dawud himself, and you do get a chance to join the Elite Tigers YouTube channel and also Elite Tigers Facebook group, which is run by Dawud himself. Then you have got a welcome video from Kneller, and he explains how to whitelist his email address. And then basically you could join his Facebook group and also subscribe to his YouTube channel, and then you can sign up for a free webinar. Now this particular free webinar is from a top 1% ClickBank seller, and he will reveal his system for creating 6-figure automated income streams. And I happen to know that this particular person is a mentor that I basically had back in 2014. One of his first courses that he released in 2014, I actually did that because I wanted to learn how to build websites and blogs, which I have done. And you can join John Thornhill on this free webinar through this link here and find out more about how he became the top 1% ClickBank seller. So let's have a look at the other training that you've got in here. So you've got your membership outline, you've got a system overview here, you've got the course planning phase, and then you've got the 2 different methods. You've got walkthrough on WordPress site, installing your first plugin, installing a second plugin, building sales pages, and building memberships area. So basically this is going to walk you through all of the information you require to get up and running with a membership type site on this particular course planning phase. So you've got your system overview planning, you've got brainstorming your product ideas, naming your product, your logo design, and then you've got how to list your product on Muncheye. Now Muncheye is basically a database of all the different launches that affiliates have listed with Muncheye. Some of them are really big launches and some of them are from smaller vendors, but they're listed on Muncheye, and you can then go check out the website and find out more about all of the products that are going to be launched in the next 2-3 months. And then basically you've got method 1, the free methods, your sales pages, your upsells, your memberships area, and Warrior Plus. So there's training on all of that. Then you've got method 2, you've got your WordPress site, installing your plugins and things like that. Then you've got the final video here. So this is the training that you would receive within this members area for Launchrr. And what I can say is that when you're starting with affiliate marketing, obviously the product creation is one of the things that is very important, and it will help you to build a list and increase your confidence with affiliate marketing, as well as once you make that decision to start making your own products and listing them on Warrior Plus and joining with other affiliates, whereby these products can be promoted. This is where you will find more sales and more income. So that is my review for Launchrr. And like I say, this goes live today, Monday, November the 22nd, 9 AM EST, which is 2 PM UK and 3 PM in Spain. And basically to let you know that if you like these review videos, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.